Good morning, children. I am Bulbul Sangupta, your maths teacher. How are you, children? I hope all of you are fine and in healthy condition. So, children, today I am going to start value-based question. Before starting this value-based question, I am going to recapitulate the topics that I have dealt with, the various points related to the division of the fractional number. Okay, division of the fractional number. About the fractional number, firstly I have told you how to reduce in the lowest term. Reduce into lowest term. First point, in this you have to reduce the given fractional number into its lowest term. How you will do it? For example, 24 and 36. So this is the fractional number. How we will do it to reduce it into the lowest term? Simple, we will divide the numerator and denominator by their common factors. Okay. Lowest common factor. So here 24 and 36 other than 1. Lowest common factors other than 1, dividing the numerator and denominator by their common factor. So here 24 and 36, they are having the common factor 2, right? So I am dividing 24 by 2, 36 by 2. So it is 12 by 18, right? Again 12 and 18, they are having the common factor 2. So again I will divide 12 by 2 and 18 by 2. So it is 6 by 9. Now again this 6 and 9, they have the lowest common factor other than 1 is 3. So I will divide 6 by 3, I will divide 9 by 3, that is equals 2 by 3. Here 2 by 3, they have only one common factor, that is 1. When this situation comes that 2 divided by 1 and 3 divided by 1, that is equals, when this situation comes, when the fraction has only one common factor, that is 1, it means the fraction is in the lowest term. So 2 by 3 is the lowest term. Okay. Now second point. Second point that I have told you, comparison. Compare. So how we will do comparison between among the two fraction? So for example, this is 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So in case of unlike fraction, how we will compare the two fractions are unlike, it means they are having the different denominator. So first step, what I have told you, find out LCM of denominators 2 and 4. So what is the LCM of 2 and 4? It is 4. Now second step, this convert this 1 by 2. How we will convert? Divide the LCM by the denominator. Okay. Denominator, right? So denominator, dividing the LCM with denominator. So what we will do? 4 is divided by 2, that is equal to 2. Now we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. So it is equals 2 by 4, right? One fraction is converted. Now second is 1 by 4. So this 1 by 4, we again divide this LCM 4 divided by this denominator 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So here 1 into 4 and 1 into 1, I will multiply with the quotient. 1 into 1 by 4 into 1, that is equals 1 by 4. So here 2 by 4, here all of you see that's 1 by 2 is 2 by 4 and this 1 by 4. So here denominators are same, so we will compare with the numerator, that is 2 and 1. 2 is more than 1, so 2 by 4 is more than 1. Why? Because 2 is more than 1. So in this way we will compare the two fractional numbers. Now next point is ascending and descending order. In ascending and descending order, children, firstly you will convert ascending and descending order of the unlike fractions. So here again, in case of unlike fraction, you firstly have to convert. So in ascending and descending order, ascending and descending. So in ascending descending order, first step of unlike fraction. First step, what you will do? Convert the unlike fraction into like fraction. Right. Firstly convert into like fraction into like fraction. So here, in order to convert the unlike fraction into like fraction, what we will do, we will make the denominator same. How we will make the denominator same? By taking the LCM that I have shown you during the comparison LCM, and then we convert all the fractions into the like fractions, and then we will be able to compare it, arrange these fractions in ascending or descending order with the help of the numerator, the greater numerator and the greatest numerator and the lowest numerator. We can arrange according to the value of the numerators. Now next point, that what I have discussed is addition and subtraction. So in same case, in case of addition and subtraction, we have to firstly of unlike fraction. So we have to firstly convert the unlike fraction. In case of addition, we have to convert, for example, of unlike fraction 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So here we have to convert this denominator unlike fractions into the same denominator. We have to convert. So same we will have to convert by taking the LCM. You will find out LCM of 2 and 4, that is equal to 4. Then 1 by 2, it will be LCM will be divided by the denominator, that is 2. Then 1 will be multiplied by 2, 2 will be multiplied by 2, it is 2 by 4. Now it comes to 1 by 4. Here again LCM divided by the denominator, 4 divided by 4 equal to 1. 1 into 1 by 4 into 1, that is equal to 1 by 4. So here we get the 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So here denominators are same, so I will use the same denominator common, 4, 4, 4, and the numerators will be added, 4, 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 4. So in this way we can do the addition, and same way we have to do the subtraction, firstly converting the unlike fraction into the like fraction. Now in case of multiplication, what I have discussed, in case of multiplication, children, multiplication, in case of multiplication of fractional number, okay, for example 1 by 2 multiplied by the 4, when a fraction number is multiplied by 4, whole number, then what will we do, this whole number will be multiplied by numerator, right? 1 into 4 by 2 and then 4 by 2. Here 4 by 2, we will see that they are having the common factor or not. Here 4 is having the common factor 2 and 2 is also having the common factor 2. So 4 divided by 2 and 2 divided by 2, that is 2. This is the multiplication. In case it is a multiplication between the two fractional number. So here what we will do, numerator will be multiplied with the numerator and denominator will be multiplied with denominator. Simple, 1 ones are 1, 2 fours are 8. Okay, so in this way we can do the multiplication. Now come to the reciprocal. Reciprocal of the fractional number. What is the reciprocal? Next topic, reciprocal. So reciprocal of fractional number is fractional number. So here reciprocal is, we interchange the position of numerator and denominator, we get the reciprocal. Interchanging, numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. So here numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes interchanging the position of numerator and denominator of the fraction. Simple. Now next point, topic, that is division. In case of division, division of fractional number, division of fractional number. So in case of division, for example 1 by 2 divided by 2. So here what will happen, 1 by 2 it is a dividend and division sign is changed with the multiplication sign, and this divisor we have to write the reciprocal of divisor. What is it? Here reciprocal is, divisor is 2 and dividend is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a dividend and 2 is a divisor. So dividend I will write as it is, changing the sign division into the multiplication, and this 2 divisor will be, we have to write the reciprocal of 2, that is 1 by 2. So here again applying the properties of multiplication, numerator will be multiplied with numerator and denominator will be multiplied with denominator, that is 1 by 4. Correct? Now in case of multiplication, division of a 2 whole number. So what we will do, here this dividend, give the multiplication sign, write down reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2, right? Now here 2 into 1 by 2. Now here 2 is divided by 2, 2 is divided by 2, 1 by 1. So here answer is 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. So in this way we can do the division of the fraction number. Now come to the point